Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you're very, very well. I am. A slight kitch in my throat still, but that's just the remaining bit of my cough. But otherwise I'm good. So it is amazing that people are sending me the medicines to have and concoctions that they made on your own. Thank you so much for doing that. Thank you. So anyway, I'm actually here today to talk about the vitamin C serum. I did introduce it, I did launch it, but it's not my product to launch, but I helped Sandhu launch it. It's a Self-Groomers product. And after that, I didn't really talk about it, so people have been asking me so many questions. I just thought I'll make a video to explain it completely. Very, very well to you, okay? So I actually first introduced the ascorbic acid and that's pure vitamin C powder and how to make your own 20% serum. And how many of you have just reaped the benefits of that serum? So many, especially people with terrible pigmentation and dark, spots and marks and everything. I had these terrible marks on my face. Like, when I was shooting like 90 days in a row with all that makeup on all the time, both the sides were just ridiculous. And I got pimples with the makeup and taking it off and having it on for so many hours, and then by the time I took it off I started breaking out, and then the pimples went away. My kind of skin is a skin that actually leaves the marks stay, and the only thing that saved me and my skin was the vitamin C serum that I made, 20%. So I decided to tell the whole world how to make it and use it. Many of you have used it the right way and love using it. Many of you are just really plain lazy and don't make it and use it. But the ones who are using it the right way, good for you. The ones who are just doing whatever they want, I mean, that is also just quite shocking. Ma'am, I'm adding rose water. Ma'am, I'm just using my own kitchen spoons. Listen, then don't make the vitamin C serum. You're just making something else, yeah? So follow the videos that I have posted on the vitamin C serum to make it with the ascorbic acid, which is pure vitamin C powder, which Sandhu has. He will send it to you. But then, because people were making so many mistakes and because people were saying, ma'am, I want to continue using the serum, but now my face is absolutely clear. Because of so many reasons, I said, please, Sandhu, please bring out the vitamin C serum, which is ready to use, And he did bring it out. It's under Self-Groomers' name, and it is this bottle here. The thing with the ready-to-use vitamin C serum is the fact that so I had to stop shooting and pick up my phone because my mom just called. I had to. I mean, I always answer her calls. Okay, so coming back to the vitamin C ready-to-use serum by Self-Groomers, when I told Sandhu, please make it, the manufacturers and me, we sat down, we had to talk a lot about, because the vitamin C itself is such an unstable product, it's a very delicate product. It reacts to the sun, it reacts to light, it reacts to heat, it reacts to the air. So that's the reason why I in the beginning introduced you to how to make your own serum, because with that, no preservatives, you can actually use it for 7 to 8 or 10 days, not more than that, and then throw it away. Like, I've told everybody, once it starts changing color, you don't have a preservative. If you had a preservative, it's a different story. But there is no preservative in it. So if it starts changing color, please don't use it. With the vitamin C ready-to-use serum, I wanted a paraben-free preservative. I was very sticky about everything, I needed aloe vera in it, so it would moisturize the skin, because it is an oil-free product. Also, there are, to keep a vitamin C serum, any brand, anyone that you pick up, to keep it absolutely clear for 2 years, you have to use one of those ingredients which are actually not safe for the skin. So I said no to that. I said I'm okay with the color changing a little bit, but as long as there's a good preservative in it and it's safe to use. So any vitamin C serum that you pick up with over time will start changing color. But because it's got preservative in it, there's nothing to worry about. For the simple reason why it changes color is because it gets exposed to the air. Even that little bit that you open to apply it, the air is already gone in and it's doing its damage with the product itself. But because there is preservative in all the vitamin C serums, ready to use, that you can pick up in the market, you can pick up from Sephora, you can pick up anywhere and everywhere, they have preservatives in it, is why it is very safe to use. Now it might change color, or it might change color over if you are not tightening the top, or if you've just exposed it to too much air or light or whatever it is. It might change color, and if it does change color, because it is a ready to use product with preservatives in it, you don't have anything to worry about. Now if it is the serum which I taught you how to make and if that changes color, it's not safe to use because there is no preservative in it. This one does have a safe preservative in it, so you can use it. Vitamin C actually turns from clear to really reddish brown and dark brown. Now when you have a preservative in it, it's okay. The only thing is the potency is coming down. By the time it gets to brown, it's got 30% less potency to your serum. Now the vitamin C which I showed you how to make is a 20% vitamin C serum. It's a strong vitamin C serum, and made the right way, it works wonders. There's a little bit of tingle, there's a little bit of itch for some people. Some people face a lot of dry skin after using the vitamin C. And I keep telling them, please just moisturize your skin. So I wanted a ready-made vitamin C serum which has aloe in it, so it keeps it nice and moisturized as well, while it does all its magic, also it's moisturizing. It's an oil-free product. But also there are extracts of orange in it which could hasten up the color change in your product. But I wanted the orange extract because it just does fabulous magic to the skin. There are some big brands that have used this one chemical. I'm not too sure which. I do know the name, but it's just such a tongue twister. They use that for the liquid to stay clear for 2 years, and that is not very safe for you. So if your vitamin C is turning color, you're okay, all right? The thing I would suggest is keep it nicely tight, don't expose it to any kind of light or sunlight, and definitely refrigerate it. When somebody asked me, ma'am, should I refrigerate my vitamin C? I said, no, you don't have to, but that was the 20% which I showed you how to make, because you're anyway going to use it in 7 to 8 days and then making a new batch again. This one, please refrigerate it, especially all the people who I know who all are ordering 5 and 10 bottles because it's all going abroad and it's going with the AP box, the AP parcel that goes out. People are like, okay, please throw in about 5 more vitamin C serums because they're excited to use it, but keep one out, keep the rest in the fridge, and every time you use it, close it tightly, put it in your fridge if you must. Not if you must, you should. Basically, it works better that way. All right. So that is it. It could turn a little bit. I actually started using mine about 3 months ago, and now I'm at the tail end of my bottle. And can you see? It's a slight yellow color. And I am not worried because there is a preservative in it. So the color changes. I know it changes because it's a vitamin C serum. All vitamin C serums, the color will change. Nothing to worry about if your preservatives are safe in the bottle. Now, I will actually look for that name. When you find your ingredients, you can actually go through it. And if that name is, if that product is in it, don't buy it. because that is used only to keep your product clear for 2 years. Now this product actually has a shelf life of 2 years, and it's safe to use. Now all skincare products, once you open it, its shelf life is 2 years, but once you open it, please use it in 2 or 3 months. You know, there are huge hoarders, yeah. They have 10 different kinds of creams on their table. They've got 5 different serums and they keep using and switching and whatever. If that's the case, then your cream is not going to be used. You won't get the benefit of a certain cream or a serum if you're going to keep switching like that, yeah. So also, once you open a product, it's better to use it, finish it off in 2, max 3 months. And that's all the time that you need to use it, morning and evening, and your product does get over. I know that people keep ordering once in 3 months because they say, ma'am, my products are over, and I'm like happy because I know that they're using it the right way at the right time and the right amount is happening. Everything is happening just good. If you've got a cream that's going on for a year, that I don't know what you're doing with it. You're probably using something else and not using this. Anyway, so I think I've touched on all different topics that I wanted to speak about today. And if you have any queries and any questions about the ready-to-use vitamin C serum or anything, please write in and ask me and I will help you out. So here you can hear the birds, you can hear the plane landing because this place is pretty close to the airport. Everything is happening, yeah? And it's beautiful. Yes, life is beautiful. And I think we all have to believe that life is beautiful. And stay safe, everybody, and stay healthy. And I shall see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.